It's time for some more Daily Dose. We got two videos, one normal sized and one extra large video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. She was dealing with this crazy guy that had some road rage.
Ah, buddy, you, Good job. Good job. Oh, nice. Orange cat. Orange boy. Oh, ow. Oh.
This raccoon helped fix his light bulb.
Oh my god, they are cute.
He a chunky boy.
What's he doing the light bulb? He's turning the light bulb.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, you have video of this.
I am. Oh my god.
Yay. The chunky boy. Ooh, nice.
His dad instincts are on another level. The customer couldn't figure out why their car wasn't working.
What the heck? That is a that's a possum.
The government in Mexico installed a new speed bump because people were going too fast on this road.
¿Qué necesidad? No, mira, este cabrón ya mamó. Sí o sí mamó. Se los vengo diciendo, ¿verdad? ¡A la madre, güey!
He just got pulled over by the police, and his dog was super nervous.
Uh-oh. The dog has a record. The dog has a record.
They wanted to see if their baby would be able to recognize their dad without a beard.
Nope.
I have no idea how something like this even happens.
Look at him
All
go.
of these goats got scared when they had to jump over this board. So, I guess this guy's pretty
Poor
lucky
goats.
to be alive.
Huh? Oh! Oh! Nice. Shoo-boo-woo. 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 Shoo-boo-woo.
So, I think she might actually be a witch.
I said good night.
Nice. Oh, oh, oh!
This goat started panicking because he tripped and almost fell.
You're fine. Oh! Interference! Oh. Nice.
He somehow made the bottle cap disappear.
Yeah, watch this. So you, there you go. I counted 3, 1, 2, and then it's back on.
So,
Nice.
I guess this is what an owl's ear looks like.
And it's a little hole. Just a little hole. Like our ears, we have little holes. If there's a little odd. And not even. Good job. Oh!
They were trying to restock this pond that ran out of fish.
Well, it ran out of people too. They restocked it with people too.
So why is this bird standing like a man?
Trying to get all that sun. He's solar charging. He's standing for dominance. Oh!
The skunk was smart enough to realize that they were trying to help.
Grab it, grab it, grab it. Yep, yep, yep. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Yeah. He's holding it. He's holding it. Oh, hopefully he doesn't attack us.
So Dad was pretty upset
Oh,
that
I
Mom
want
decided
actually
to do this.
Dude, I actually wanted to know if he was gonna spray him. Hopefully they didn't get sprayed, because that's pretty bad. Well,
For some weird reason, this
I
cat
don't think the kids are gonna care.
will only eat by picking up the food.
What the heck? I don't think I've ever seen a cat do that. Look, I've seen cats do a lot of things with their food and then complain if they can see the freaking bottom of the bowl. I don't think I've ever seen a cat pick up its food. Oh. Well,
So why is he so good at shooting hoops?
My turn.
okay. No! Rip.
Yeah, I gotta be careful in Florida.
Rip the
'cause
food.
Sometimes you just see random stuff, and then out of nowhere. Yeah.
Oh, hey.
There's gators.
This guy can do an hour's worth of work in 2 minutes.
The hell? What? Jeebus! Jeebus!
No, that like hit something, babe.
So why is this so satisfying to watch?
Nice. And he's off! Look at him go! Oh, of course it's an orange boy.
His church in
what are
Sweden
you
was
doing?
falling into a sinkhole, so they just decided to move it.
Damn, dude! Damn! That's a... Uh-oh. I heard that cracking. Oh, there it goes. The hell? A fish?
This bird accidentally dropped
Oh.
his fish out of his car. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed.
okay.
And I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Later. All right, next.
These are the best doorbell videos of all time.
Oh! I think... Oh, poor cat. No. Oh, Jeebus! Oh, yeah, the deer. Bunk! That poor dog.
They tried to ding-dong ditch their neighbor.
This poor little girl. Oh.
They left a note on the tip asking for the pizza delivery guy to do a dance.
What? Hold on. Was that a squirrel? I think I remember. I remember this video. I don't remember. Was that a freaking squirrel? Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, that
His
was a
upstairs neighbors were partying last night, and he decided to complain about it.
Hey, you guys were doing something last night, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
I was just gonna say, you guys got last night, and normally I wouldn't make it a problem, but next time invite my fucking neighbor, dude. I want to party too.
These people left special instructions for the delivery driver to shout when dinner arrives.
Dinner!
Dinner!
She didn't read the label explaining that the package was fragile.
Oh no. Oh. Oh.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Yeah.
He was trying to load his snowmobile onto his truck.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
This delivery driver was caught slamming down food that someone ordered.
Just being an a-hole. Okay. I bet you anything they gave him a small tip and he was a little mad about it. Oh, jeebus. Oh no, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh!
I can't reach it. It's okay, I saw you coming.
This new neighbor walked over to introduce himself.
Oh hell no.
Threw flakes in it. Mommy,
put the stuff down and then you throw this. Sorry. Sorry.
Is this the fastest ding-dong ditch of all time?
Oh. It's a bee. Or a wasp. Yong. Yeah, and no.
This delivery
Good
guy
try.
was trying to drop off this balloon and birthday card.
I feel so bad for this dude. We saw that. Oh, I feel so bad for this guy. Who invited Carrot Top, right? Oh God. Oh. I feel so such. Oh no, here comes the tire. Yeah. Nyong. Dude, the fact, look how much smoke is coming off of this freaking tire, man. That is crazy. Oh no. Oh!
Something weird was sitting on their doorbell camera.
That's a bug. And in he goes. Bye. Okay.
Sorry, we're not interested.
Huh?
What?
I got food.
Delivery. Okay, guys, about to give you the hardest decision of your young lives.
Okay.
Are you gonna take the candy or are you gonna take the potato? You could have... All right. Okay. Wow.
Okay. They just took. Oh no. No. No.
She decided to ding-dong ditch her neighbors while on a hoverboard.
That's probably a horrible idea.
She didn't realize that there was a spider web outside of her door.
And spiderweb.
She couldn't control her dogs that wanted to chase the skunk.
I love the fact that the kid was like, "What are you freaking out about?" Bye.
This cat was letting his owner know that he wanted to come inside.
Meow, 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 meow.
This
Hey, let me
delivery
in.
guy doesn't care that this truck is on fire.
Thank you. Matt! Matt, your truck's on fire!
He was trying to ding-dong ditch his house, but was immediately caught in the act.
He got busted.
Now, did you just move here? Yeah. There's a lot of kids playing around here. Okay. Have a nice day.
Come back in the house.
What?
This dad spoke to his daughter through the doorbell camera.
Welcome home, Ella Bella.
No. No. I love the wife. The wife is just like,
oh,
ow.
What the hell? My God. I gotta sit down.
She was trying to go for a walk when her dog spotted something.
A bear, right? Yeah, up there.
I had no idea it was possible to fall like this.
Ow.
These kids are trying to sneak out of the house without setting off the camera.
Yeah, good luck, kid.
No, that camera's gonna go off now, you idiot! You're standing right in front of it!
Holy, no, holy, oh my God, no, no.
This poor dog was scared of a frog.
Look at them. Oh. How did you not?
There's an iguana in the front yard.
How did you not see that, buddy?
Might be a ninja.
He was. Look at this. Look at this. The freaking iguana is literally. How did he not? He probably wears glasses. He probably didn't wear his glasses.
Jesus, there's an iguana in the front yard.
I think his little brother might be a ninja. So this is pretty scary. This is why it's so important to watch for your kids.
Mommy! They're following me! Mommy!
Duck.
The scientist rang the doorbell, and the homeowner was super confused when he didn't see anyone at the door.
Huh?
They found this crazy bug hanging out on their front door.
Look at it. Get out of there. Get out of there.
People inside this house were watching a scary movie and totally forgot that they ordered some food delivery. This is a pretty crazy chain of events.
Oh, right. Oh, no. Oh, in the car. No, the car. At least they caught the bonk. All right then.
A bunch of ants got together and tried to steal this package.
What the hell?
This nosy neighbor needs to mind his own business.
Oh, you cheating! I don't me! This is my son!
Oh. Oh, God. Every time.
The good news is that he wasn't hurt. This goat decided to deliver their package.
Meh.
This postman went to the wrong address, and he told him to go to the house across the street.
Yeah, the one with the yeah, number 77, please, mate, to the right. This one. Yeah, mate, please.
Oh, look out, dude, look out!
Her dog was refusing to come inside, so she realized that if she pretends that she's dead, her dog will come over. You can see the moment this dog feels dumb after accidentally ringing the doorbell.
You were the one that rang the doorbell, dog. Oh, Barrett.
Brisbane, there is right. Oh, are you okay? I didn't see that.
Yeah, it is. I agree.
No one is here. No one. See? Look.
Stop barking.
No one. Stop barking.
Okay. Well.
This delivery driver couldn't resist the temptation.
Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Oh.
What are you doing? Hi. Hello.
Look at that.
Sometimes it's a good idea to put the phone down.
This damn woman.
This lizard decided to ring his doorbell.
Mason, what'd you just do?
Even the dog. Oh!
Here's a great way to ruin a Christmas present surprise.
Close your eyes. Oh, what the f? Close your eyes. Get inside. Get inside. That is not for you. You did not see that. You did not see that.
Poor little guy got scared of the talking robot.
Camera recording.
He was so proud of himself for chasing away these geese.
Dude, they're geese. They're gonna come for you. Boom. There we go. Cat. Dude, it's just a little cat.
Oh my god.
This delivery guy loved their car so much that he asked for a picture with it.
Take the helmet off, yeah. Ready?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Is that alright?
I have never seen someone struggle so much with ice.
Oh! Ooh! Oh!
This delivery driver saw this person's cat, and I'm not sure why, but they started licking it.
Oh god, no. Yeah, I saw. Oh, we saw this. Look. Kissing cats. Everybody has it. They're cute. And they need kisses.
For some reason, a frog
but
was
licking
hanging
your
out
cat?
on
Come
the
on
front
now.
door.
Or licking a cat?
Oh.
What? Slug?
No. Frog. What?
Dude,
We
it's
got
a
pizza delivery, and under the special instructions
frog.
section, ask the delivery guy to knock 3 times, twerk, and run away.
twerk and run away. What the hell? I mean, he did it.
These twins were caught making the same exact pose on camera.
3, 2, 1.
Stop.
This trick-or-treater thought he could get away with stealing all the candy.
Man. Ah, and he squished it. Ha! Karma.
Are you okay?
No, no. Oh, oh.
A bear tried to eat this man's dogs, but was able to scare the bear away. He was walking over, about to get into his car when this happened.
No, no. Oh, no.
So this has got to be the worst delivery driver of all time, right?
Wow. Pretty bad. Oh.
This guy met his girlfriend's dog for the very first time.
You come.
Oh, oh, damn. Oh.
Don't worry, he wasn't hurt. This little guy is lucky to be alive.
Dude, but look, freaking look, he was going for the jewels,
For
man.
the very first time.
You come.
That dog was going for the jewels.
Don't worry, he wasn't hurt. This little guy is lucky to be alive.
Oh! Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Oh,
Goodbye.
okay. Okay. Oh, well,
Package
someone
thieves
just got
are
a
starting to
trampoline.
get really bold now.
Oh.
Dude, that is some BS right there.
Their porch was so shiny and clean that they thought it was wet paint.
You're so close.
Stop.
Oh.
This guy had no idea
my God.
that he ran right past the mountain line.
The cat was watching him too, man. That cat was definitely watching him. Look at that. Frick.
This guy had no idea that he ran right past the mountain line.
Big cat. No, dear, no.
These kids kept ding-dong dishing their house, but they were ready this time.
Ah!
This delivery guy forgot to properly park his car.
Oh no. Well. Dude, it's gone.
This guy just got done with shoveling his driveway. He wanted to give the pizza guy a hug after delivering the pizza.
Thank you. Enjoy. Have a good night. Bye-bye. Say hello, bud.
Aw. Go enjoy your pizza, kid.
This Uber Eats delivery guy tried to steal the food that he was delivering, but the unexpected happened. Just as the delivery guy was driving away, the customer was pulling up to the house and caught the delivery guy in the act and stopped him. This giant tornado was spotted on this doorbell camera.
Dude, look how... Dude, look at that thing. Good Lord, man.
A very concerned neighbor called the police because they thought there was a dead body
Oh.
in this woman's car.
So we got a call. Somebody's concerned. Are you like a hairstylist?
No.
So there's like hair hanging out of your tongue.
Oh my Jesus.
Someone's
Oh,
like.
that's my weave. Oh, hold on. That's not my wig. Hold on. Oh.
Monk.
This woman caught these door-to-door salesmen both roasting and complimenting her at the same time.
Would you like to buy some chocolates for a school fundraiser?
How much is it?
$2 each.
$2? Let me go see if I have cash.
Okay. Oh, lips look like that. She's no good for why her lips look like that.
Their dog tried to scare away this delivery guy.
Jeebus. I mean, it worked.
These trick-or-treaters realized that this candy bowl is empty and decided to help out.
There's no candy! Yeah. Come on, guys, go rude!
Yeah, I hate. I understand why some people do this, but I hate when trick-or-treaters come up and just take the whole damn thing, because I just ruin it for everybody, man, that comes up next. But they don't care.
This guy walked barefoot through a flood to make a delivery.
Okay.
He suddenly recognized his food delivery driver as an old friend that he hasn't seen in over 12 years.
How you doing? Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, appreciate it, bro. Oh, yeah, man. You too. Yo, hold up. Are you Rashad? Oh, Jerry? Oh, holy. Oh, let's go. Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, let's go.
This guy discovered a faster way to do his job.
Hey, it works, it works.
A raccoon chased this woman and her dog inside the house. This delivery guy never saw the dog there.
Enjoy.
Don't you hate it when you forget something after you already left the house?
Oh my God, my leg! Max, get my leg!
This poor delivery guy had a heavy package.
Uh-oh. You alright, man?
This professor won a Nobel Prize, and his neighbors came over at 2 a.m. to tell him about it.
Paul? It's Bob Wilson. Yeah. You won the Nobel. You've won the Nobel Prize, and so they're trying to reach you, but they cannot. They don't seem to have a number for you.
We gave them your cell phone number.
Yeah, I have. Wow.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
This pizza driver really wanted to smell their flowers.
Hey, man, you know, sometimes you just gotta take a moment. Smell those flowers. It's just a
The
cat.
doorbell camera captured this amazing meteor flying over Portugal.
Neom. Damn.
Someone got some food delivered, and in the special instructions, specifically asked the delivery person to kick the food as hard as they could.
Why, though? Why? Did they figure he wasn't gonna do it?
This house was struck by lightning.
Boom.
He was caught trying to steal this package.
Camera recording.
I was just joking.
Just go, kid. Just go.
This guy dropped off some packages and then left, but then came back a few seconds later, pretended to be someone else, and stole them. This delivery guy was nice enough to prune these flowers.
Huh? Oh.
You're gonna deadhead the flowers, lady.
They were getting ready to go to the party.
Oh no! It's a no.
I guess that this bear thought this deer decoration was real and decided to eat it.
Well,
I guess you never know when squirrels might attack.
when squirrels attack.
The police started changing the locks on the wrong house.
Hello?
Hello?
What are you doing?
We're here to finalize the eviction.
What eviction?
It was posted a week ago.
It was posted last week.
On my house?
Yes, ma'am. What is your name?
My name is Jennifer, and that is my house.
Hey, we do apologize. We have the wrong house.
I just wanted to see if you knew any kids around like 11 or 12 maybe, because I need some friends, like really bad.
The house to your right, there's 2 kids that live there.
They're not my friends anymore, because they're bullies to me.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, man.
So this video exploded on social media, and the internet did their thing and raised almost $40,000 in 3 days. The internet also managed to find some friends to hang out with him. She had to go to a mosque to attend a funeral, but she didn't know how to wear a headscarf, so she asked her Muslim neighbor for help.
I'm going to a funeral, okay? All right, I've got to get a scarf. I don't know could you just tell me how to put it on, because I got to go to the mosque?
Yeah, I'm gonna grab a scarf and I'm gonna show you right now.
Okay, like this?
Yup.
Put it like this?
Make it looks beautiful.
Oh, okay.
Exactly like that.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
You know, you can even keep that because I have a million at home.
His friends ding-dong ditched his house, and he decided to do a motivational speech instead.
You can see me. Get out of here, bub. And you matter, alright? There's always gonna be somebody that cares about you. And you're a good person, no matter what people say, you matter. Ignore them, they're losers. The ding-dong ditching you, I'm just trying to say something nice.
That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed.
Nice.
And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Later! That was a good one to end on. I like that.